We all came out here this morning to give recognition to the people that put this project all together.
What happened was in the storms, just so much water and the speed came through, and it actually got up underneath, softened the base. Once you soften the base, it floated the chip seal up.
So much rain that it washed out the pavement.
We figured out there was about 7 or 8 different sections of the road missing. It was very important for us to get in there and at least make it passable the first few days. So to the residents that live around here, it was very, very important. It really was amazing because we did it with a grader.
Oh yeah, laying it out with the blades, yeah.
You're supposed to do it with a lay-down machine. We didn't have access to one, and we had to actually use a grader, which is very difficult to do. So our people did a great job. We had at least 6 different crews helping us from the different districts. Because we did it with a grader, the smaller sections are easier to do. We had one section that was almost 500 feet, and that was very difficult because the trucks had to make 2 passes. We didn't have enough trucks to bring all the asphalt in one pass. So we had to asphalt half, then wait for the truck's round trip. What's going on there is the asphalt's cooling, and once it gets to a point where it hardens, you can't work with it. So with a lay-down machine, it's very simple. They have a real straight edge, and so you can do one travel path, come back, and then just mat it together. Very, very smooth, very nice. With a grader, we don't have that luxury. For what we did with the grader, you know, some people will say, you're not supposed to do it with a grader. It's not supposed to be able to be done. The crews did a great job. I can't tell you, you couldn't have done it better unless you had a lay-down machine.
Yeah, I think this project turned out real good. I'd like to do it again in the future. We got stuff in the work hole we got to do the same way.
We worked with what we had. I couldn't be happier with how everything came out.